Okay, like I'm actually in heaven right now. Oh my god. And I bet my shirt is just covered in fur now. Yep, awesome. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing an entire new collection, and I'm going to be reviewing the Wet n Wild Flights of Fantasy. This is a limited edition collection, and this is their like summer collection. This collection is so beautiful, and I'm obsessed with these blushes. I did swatches of them on my Instagram story. They're in my highlights if you still want to check them out. Well, I'm actually going to be swatching them in this video, so like whatever. I'm going to be doing a little review on this, and I'm going to be using, you know, like an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be doing like a look, okay? So let's just get started, and it smells so good because up here they have a watermelon lip scrub. Oh my god, I'm not going to be using that though. I put a little bit of tinted lip balm on because I've been chewing the shit out of my lips, so my lips look like jacked up right now, but just like pretend that they're normal, okay? Okay. So typically if I was like doing a review of a collection like this, I would already have like my foundation on, my brows, blah, blah, blah. But in here they do have a primer spray, so I wanted to use that. This is vegan, it is cruelty free. Now this is called the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray, and it's in Paradise Potion. Oh, look at this neat little sprayer. How cute. Let's just get it going. The boy's gonna play with the lid. Ooh, this spray has a nice fine mist to it. Oh, I like that. All right, we'll just let that like set up shop on my face. Before we get into eyeshadows, I am going to quickly do my brows, and I'm going to prime my eyelids as well. My go-to for brows has been the Precisely My Brow by Benefit in shade number 6. I feel like I must be almost, yeah, that's, I only have a little nub left. I don't even know which eyeshadow palette I want to use. This one's a little bit more cool tone. I have something in my hair. This one's a little bit warmer. And then we have one with these two bright colors in it. I don't know what to do because I want to utilize the golden green eyeliners as well. So I'm kind of leaning towards this guy. I feel like if I use this one with the red, it's going to look more Christmas. Okay, I'm going to use this one. This palette is called Stop Ruffling My Feathers, and it has, like as Wet n Wild does, it has kind of like a legend for where you're supposed to put the product. So if you're not really too sure about how you can apply the colors, they kind of give you a guideline. So transition, eyelid, brow bone, and then crease. And interestingly enough, for all of these palettes, the crease shade is like a shimmer shade. So I always find that I'm like, I don't really know about putting a shimmer shade in my eyelid. Throwback to the Kat Von D shimmer palette, didn't work for me. Transition on it, like a nice medium light brown, and I am going to pop this in my crease actually. Ooh, there's like a lot of they're quite powdery. They're pigmented but powdery. Then I'm going to take the shade that actually says eyelid, and it's this nice like light pink. Okay, well that's on there now. I feel like I could have done something way more thrilling than put a pink eyeshadow on my lid. But where, on this copper tone where it says crease, I'm going to pop that on like the outer bit of my eye here. Maybe I'll like understand where they're going with this palette. It's like very soft, which is fine. It's like perfect for kind of the everyday thing. Oh boy. Dang. Well, damn. That is very neutral if I ever did see a neutral. And then for the lightest shade, which is the brow bone shade, I'm going to stick a little bit of that on my brow bone. This is really not the look that I envisioned I was going to put on today. One thing I will note is there's not a lot of followed on these shadows, so I mean, that's awesome. And for my bottom lash line, I am going to go in with the copper tone, and that's going to be buffed underneath here. I'm not going to put like a ton because I'm probably going to have to apply more after I do my foundation. For foundation, since we're on kind of the Wet n Wild train, I'm going to be using the Photo Focus foundation in the shade Porcelain. I actually really do love this foundation. I love that it comes with like a little spatula. It's so cute. Let's put this on. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral. Super thick. Look at that. I'm not going to powder or anything yet because I am going to do a little bit of a cream contour. This has been my favorite way to contour my face just because I find that it looks so natural without my skin looking so dry. With the NYX Sculpt and Highlight, excuse me, bus, could you not? Thanks. I use it in the lightest shade, and I usually just pop a little bit on this NYX, this is a Total Control Drop Foundation brush. And I just pop it on and then I blend it out. See, doesn't that give me like a nice, like warm, like natural, yeah, I mean, look. And then I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the loose powder. I love this powder. I just use it in the shade Claire, which is number 5. And I have like a little inglot puff in here that I keep in here. I'm gonna lean over so I don't get it on my shirt, hopefully. I'm going to tidy up my contour a bit with a little bit of the Inglot contour powder. And this is when I also do my nose. Just a little. You can see how messed up my lips are now. I keep like biting and picking. Like I don't know why. I think it's like a nervous like habit that I keep doing. Anyway, so in here we have 2 eyeliners. We have a nice green and a gold. This look isn't really what I thought I was gonna do. I thought I was gonna do something a little more, I don't know, exciting-ish. But I'm gonna go in with the green liner. I'm gonna line my eyelid. Should I do a wing? Fuck it, let's do a wing. Okay, there's the eyeliner on. It was actually like really easy to use. I really like the brush tip on this. I need this to dry so I can open up my eyes properly. I'm gonna finish my eyes kind of with, you know, some mascara and lashes using Too Faced Better Than Sex, and then I'm using these velour lashes, which I don't even know what kind they are. I think they're in Doll Me Up, I think. I don't know, they're really old. And you know what? To finish this off, I'm going to take some of that copper color and I'm going to place this in my waterline. There we go. So it's time for blush now. Now we have 3 different shades of blushes here. They're all so beautiful. I've swatched them all. I think I'm gonna go in to this center one right here, which is called Hummingbird Hype. And look, there's a little bird on it. So cute. And like, you guys, these are like so pigmented and gorgeous. Like I can't. And I think I'm gonna stick with this because I'm going for like kind of the orangish theme here. So I'm just gonna pop some of that on. Look at that. Hey. This collection doesn't come with any highlighter, so I'm just going to use the Makeup Forever. This is the Pro Light Fusion. I believe this is in number 2. I don't know. I think there's 2 of them, and this is the lighter one. That is nearly it for the face. Now I really want to swatch all of the lip glosses for you guys because there are 4 shades that are beautiful in here, and I want to see what they look like on me. So I think I'm going to start with the lightest and then work my way up. So first up here is this beautiful baby pink. This one is called Fly Gal. Alright guys, this is Fly Gal. It's so pretty. I would say that the glosses have like a medium coverage to them. I'm not a gloss person, but I like this pink. Next up here we have Featherless, which seems to be more of like a nudish orange type. There is Featherless. I feel like this lip gloss goes with the look really well because I'm kind of like feeling that like orangey feel, but I feel like these orange tones always look so funny on me. But it looks good with the look though. This is a look. This one is called Pout of Paradise, and this is like a burnt orange. Interesting. Ooh, that is an orange if I ever did see one. What is this called again? Pout of Paradise. I also like this one was a little bit more pigmented than the later 2. Maybe just because of the color, but it almost like went on like a liquid lipstick. I don't mind this shade. What do you guys think? Do you like it? And last but not least, this one is called Shut the Pluck Up. And it's like a berry tone. That is, I like that name. These names are hilarious. Right, that is Shut the Pluck Up. I don't like dark tones of gloss because I feel like I can always like see through it and it's not always super like even coverage, and that's just like an anal thing with me. Like I just need it to be the same color. It's just a pretty color, but I feel like my lips underneath are way too light that I can kind of see through it wherever it's not as thick, but pretty color, just not for me. Alright guys, that is it. That is all the products from the new Flights of Fantasy collection by Wet n Wild. I'm actually really liking this look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like this look? It's like a different like color scheme for me, I feel. And like I'm really digging the green eyeliner actually. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Sorry if this video wasn't like too interesting, but you know. What if my eyelashes were green too? That'd be so dope. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any requests for any specific videos, leave them in the comments down below. I think I'm gonna do like an updated skincare routine, and I think I'm gonna do like a closet tour of my all black closet. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that down below, because I feel like that's a video that should probably be on the internet. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Look who's here. A sweetie. I'm a sweetie.